Today, I'm going to show you a mind-blowing tool. It's incredible how it can create a complete video in minutes from just a few instructions, all thanks to artificial intelligence. With just one tool, you have a video editor, sound engineer, cameraman, and voiceover artist as your personal assistant. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how you too can create an impressive video for your company event, birthday party, YouTube channel, or TikTok, all without any prior knowledge of video editing or the like. To give it a try yourself, I've put a link in the description. Feel free to check it out. I thought I'd make a little pitch video for my boss to get him to fund a skydiving trip, haha. I simply start by entering my idea into the field, as if I'm telling my video producer what to create. Create a video for our company outing about skydiving. The video should be a pitch to our boss, convincing him to pay for the outing for the employees. The video should be exciting and epic. Show action-packed sequences and, in the middle of the video, highlight the benefits in terms of team building. Epic-style action trailer. Videos just get more awesome when you add epic. I have no idea why artificial intelligence works better with epic, but it just does. If you want to test this yourself, check out the link in the description. My personal video producer immediately starts researching the topic I want to create. Once he's drafted his concept, he asks me 3 questions, and I can hit continue to proceed. And here's where the magic happens. The AI writes the entire content, transcribes the video, creates the scenes, and delivers a finished video in no time. Simply brilliant. And there it is. I can preview the video right away and it doesn't cost me a cent. Even though the video was created automatically, I can still take on the role of director and easily edit the script or swap out images and videos as I please. I can even search for different sequences and replace them with a single click. But what's even more brilliant, I can act as the boss and just give the AI director instructions on what to change. If that's not genius, then I don't know what is. If you don't believe it's that easy, see for yourself and check out the link in the description. I was absolutely amazed. Exporting is just as easy as creating the video with one click. And before we finally watch the result and the video, please leave me a like, subscribe, and a comment. And don't forget to try out the tool yourself via the link in the description. Now sit back and enjoy the show.
Get ready for the ultimate adrenaline rush. Experience the thrill of free-falling from 10,000 feet in the air. Feel the wind rushing past you as you plummet towards the earth at breathtaking speeds. This is not just a company outing. This is an adventure of a lifetime. Join us for an epic skydiving experience that will leave you speechless. Picture yourself soaring through the sky, taking in the stunning panoramic views as you descend towards the drop zone. It's an experience that will bond us as a team and create memories that will last a lifetime. Skydiving isn't just about the thrill. It's about pushing boundaries, conquering fears, and building trust. It's an opportunity for us to come together, support each other, and strengthen our team dynamics. The shared experience of overcoming the challenge of skydiving will unite us in a way that else can. Contrary to common misconceptions, skydiving is not a dangerous sport. In fact, more people die in car accidents than skydiving each year. So let's take the leap together and elevate our team to new heights. This isn't just a company outing. It's a chance to inspire, motivate, and unite our team like never before. Let's make this an unforgettable experience that will bring us closer together and create a stronger, more cohesive team. Get ready to soar, to conquer, and to bond. Let's make this company outing an epic adventure that will ignite our team spirit and leave us all feeling invincible.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to try out the incredible tool for yourself. Your next video is just a click away in the description.